Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to find an IP address. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my laptop. Now to find the IP address, first of all go to Start and over here click on this Settings. And now you will find this bunch of options. Click on this Network and Internet. Now click on this Wi-Fi and go to this Hardware Properties. And over here on this properties, you can see your Wi-Fi name, protocol and many other options. Here you can find two types of IP, that is V4 and V6. Here is IPv6 and here is IPv4. So in this way you can find IP of network in which we are connected to. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time. And over here you'll find this PVR network.